Alright, so it's been quite a while since I uploaded a video. So this will be my first time to upload unboxing something. And hindi ko alam pwede pala to na maging content. So meron tayong dalawa dito na i-unbox. One is coming from Lazada. One is delivered to me directly yesterday. So this is a plug and play. It has USB receiver support for two devices, which is the keyboard, wireless keyboard, and the wireless mouse. So naka-plastic pa siya. It was delivered to me, same day delivery. So let's check it out. Pwede palang gawing content yung mga unboxing na ganito. Dami ko na sanang content na nagawa for unboxing. So, hindi siya naka-bubble wrap pero safely ano naman siya, safely wrap. So bagong bago yung box. So there you go. Plug and play. PC Mac. So capable siya for PC and Mac. Simple and elegant. Plug and play. So, of course, made in China. So, nakita ko lang siya sa Facebook kasi. And I've been looking for a wireless keyboard and mouse in a right price. Of course, I'm not into expensive gadgets or equipment. Nowadays naman quality na yung mga gadgets tsaka yung mga equipment na nabibili sa kahit sabi mo made in China. So ayan, meron siyang sticker. Let's see. So, mainit na ba kayo? Ano siya? So, naka-plastic. Tcharan! So, yun na siya. So, meron siyang lightweight. So, meron siyang paa. Yan. So, mamaya testingin natin siya. Okay. Cool. Let's put that aside and let's check the mouse out. I think we need to go to the other side. To deal with this sticker again. So later meron pa tayo unbox. This one is a headphone. Not that cheap but not that expensive. So pangmasa ito mga gadget na to. You don't need to buy expensive stuff. Nasa paggamit mo daw yan. Yun nga, nasa dulo yung mouse. In the other side of the box. Hindi siya white. Naka-plastic pa. Plastic siya. So, brand new. White na white. Testingin na natin. Let me just check out if there's a battery. Yun, meron kasamang battery. So, meron siyang 4 na battery kasama. I don't know if this is rechargeable batteries. Need to find that out first. So, let me just put on the batteries. Ano ba yung laman? Yan, may kasama siyang user's manual. So basic naman ito, no need to go all the way to the manual. So I'll be trying it out with my laptop. Yun, no, kagandahan, properly sealed siya. So 2 sets of battery included, no? So you just have to twist that, then nakalock na siya. Ito yung switch niya. Naka-on na siya. There you go. See the light? It's working. One more. So it's working. Now, let's try the keyboard. I don't know if we have to put the battery here. Yes, I think so. There it is. And also the sensor is there inside. You see? This is the sensor. You just have to pull that out with this. There you go. You see? There's the sensor. Now I need to put my batteries. What is this one? It's easy to remove. So how to open the fuse. Alright, so there you go. Easy peasy. Nice. So we're all set. And this is the switch of the keyboard. Now let's switch that up. See the lights coming out. Now let me try it with my laptop. Oh my god. So we just set this up here. So thank you for watching, guys. This is unboxing Xiaomi keyboard and mouse in one for 1,229 plus 50 pesos delivery charge. I think I'm satisfied with this. So next time I'll be posting, or I'll be doing the video for a tutorial on how to make this stop port. And that's it. You stay safe. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button for future videos. God bless and thank you.